Are you making a card for Mum? Billy, are you making a card for Mum?
No, have a
Okay, do your card.
Daddy.
Okay, do your stamps. Very good. Okay. All done?
No.
Want to do more stamps?
Go right there.
Right there. Okay. What are you doing?
I done.
You're done? Okay.
No. This.
That one. Okay, do that one. Ooh.
That's it.
That's okay. Look, all better? Say Happy Valentine's Day.
I have a brother there.
Kid, look at me. Say Happy Valentine's Day, Mum.